to remove and reinstall a vent panel for a Tuscany constant force single hung window. The first step is to locate the takeoff features on both sides of the frame. Next, you'll need to lower the vent so that it lines up with the takeout feature, and you'll need to lock the carrier into the frame. The first step is to press this tab in towards the frame, and a hook will come out to grab the frame. There's a second step to the locking process where a safety barb extends and prevents the carrier from coming out. It's important that you do both steps. So now I will lower the window and line up to the takeout features and snap the carriers in. The next step is to tilt the window by deforming the sash cam in the top right corner. Inside this jamb here, there is a sash cam. By pulling it towards yourself, you can move it out of the way and prepare to tilt the window. To do this step, you'll pull the sash cam, apply a small force on the lower left corner of the vent, and pull your finger out. This step, if done correct, will reveal the other sash cam. However, it can be difficult sometimes to access the sash cam. So if you take a small flathead screwdriver or any other skinny object, you can insert it behind the sash cam while doing the same tilt force, and then remove your object and tilt the window. Next, you want to lift the window over the carriers and swing it out from the left side. It's important during the lifting process that you keep the panel pushed to the right side of the window, or the sash cam might pop back out again. Next, to reinstall the panel, you want to push the vent panel into the left side of the window, and by pushing a force in the top right corner into the left corner, you can deform this sash cam automatically. Then you swing the vent into the frame and lower the vent over the carriers. Next, you slide the carrier locks out of the frame while applying a small downward force, and you're done.